Hello, friends. Have you heard of toasted siopao? We know of steamed buns, steamed siopao. If you want to learn more about toasted siopao, we'll see how it is made together. Tara na, let's go see. In the bustling streets of the Philippines, one can find a delightful treat that has captured the hearts and taste buds of many: siopao. This steamed bun filled with savory meat has been a staple in Filipino cuisine for generations. However, in recent years, siopao has undergone an exciting revolution, giving birth to a variation, the toasted siopao. Making toasted siopao is an art form that requires precision and skill. The process begins with the preparation of the dough, which is made using yeast, sugar, water, and flour. The dough is then kneaded until it is smooth and elastic, then left to rise for about 2 hours. The filling typically consists of a flavorful mixture of ground meat, onions, garlic, and seasonings. Pieces of hard-boiled eggs are added to the mixture to fill the siopao buns.
Yung toasted siopao, no, iba-iba ho ang flavor po niyan eh. Pero ang mabenta po sa amin, yung pork flavor, no, parang asado po siya. Tapos yung kanya pong dough, medyo makunat na medyo matigas po yan eh. Ang original po talaga niyan ay sa Bicol. O kaso nga lang, dito sa atin, sa Metro Manila, pag matigas po ang tinapay, napagkakamalan ho agad na luma. Kaya yung combination po ng timpla po namin, nandun po yung original at nandun naman po yung quality na hindi naman po siya kasintigas po nung nabibili ho sa Bicol. No? Kaya yan po yung aming pagkakaiba, yung toasted siopao po namin.
Siopao, which Filipinos learned from Chinese immigrants, is similar to dumplings and shumai. Where the meat fillings are wrapped in some sort of dough and steamed. Toasted siopao are not steamed, they are baked. To cook the siopao, the buns are placed on a greased baking tray and baked in a preheated oven for about 10 minutes or until they are golden brown and cooked through. The buns are then served hot, with their crispy exterior and warm, flavorful filling.
So, meron tayong dough. Ito. I-rolling pin lang muna natin saglit. Ayan. Pag naganyang ng flat, kuha tayo ng ating mga ganyan lang ang palaman. Yung ginawa natin palaman para sa siopao. Siguro may sukat to, mga 3/4 lang sa teaspoon. Then, lalagay natin ng isang egg. Yung iniwang egg. Ayan. Then, ating babalutin. Ganyan lang, kadali. Ayan. Ayan. Then, isa. Circle. So, meron na tayong toasted siopao. So, ulitin natin ha. Ganito lang yung kadali. Roll. Roll. Then, flat. Lagyan lang natin ang ating 3/4 lang na teaspoon ng ating palaman. So, meron tayong egg na nilaga. Lagay lang din, atin i-fold. Ayan lang. Ganyan lang ang ating fold. Then, lock lang natin ng ganon. Then, bilog. So, kapag nagawa na natin itong ating pinalamanan, papaalsayin lang natin to sa loob ng 2 hours. Then, pwede na itong lutuin. Okay?
Whether you're a foodie, traveler, or cooking enthusiast, this video is your ultimate guide to authentic Filipino food artistry. Subscribe for more videos exploring Filipino bakeries, street food, and culinary traditions. Join our channel community. We are glad to have you. If you loved this story, hit like and subscribe for more untold stories from the heart of the Philippines. Know someone with a story like this? Tell us in the comments. Let us know what you would like to see.